So we'll continue our discussion on the joy of X, a guided to our mathematics 1 to infinity. So we'll talk about infinity. So we were looking at yesterday's discussion about whether infinite is odd or even. Now we'll see Cantor is the one who gave a proper formal theory to deal with infinity. Cantor theory provoked Cantor theory provoked not just resistance but outrage. Henry Poincaré, one of the leading mathematicians of the day, called it a disease. But another giant of the era, David Hilbert, saw it as a lasting contribution and later proclaimed, no one shall expel us from the paradise that Cantor has created. So here he is trying to give, Hilbert has used the concept of hotel with infinite room. So this is how to discuss these theories. It is always booked solid, yet there is always vacancy. For the Hilbert Hotel does not have merely 100 of rooms, it has an infinite number of rooms. Whenever a new guest arrives, the manager shifts the occupant of the room 1 to the room 2 to room 3 and so on. Then frees up room 1 for the newcomer, accommodates everyone else as though inconsing there is a room. Now suppose infinitely many new guests arrive. Sweetie, short temper, no problem. The unfavorable manager moves the occupant of room 1 to room 2, room 2 to room 4, room 3 to room 6, all even numbers. Then double up this. So on. This doubling trick opens up all the odd numbers rooms, infinitely many of them, for the new guests. So infinite, odd numbers are infinite. So you can accommodate infinite newcomers. Later that night, endless conveyor of bus rumbles at reception. Now the issue is there are infinitely many buses, but still each one is loaded with infinitely crappy people demanding that the hotel live up to them. There is always room at the Hilbert Hotel. So here what happens? You have to treat this way. That every bus has got infinite numbers, and there are infinite buses. Bus 1 has got infinite number passengers. Bus 2 has infinite number. It has to be seen this way. Now what he says that if you try to keep accommodating the bus 1, it will keep going. So the other buses will not be attended. So you have to adopt a strategy to accommodate all the things. So he says that strategy is like this. See, if you try to accommodate only first to accommodate the infinite passengers in the bus 1, it will keep going. Then the bus 2, bus 3, bus 4 will not be attended. So it has to be, there is a procedure like this. First you attend first number, first 2, then go to the second bus first number, then go to the 3, then go diagonal and upward, then again diagonal downwards. This way if you are saying, you will keep on attending alternate buses. So now you can see, you can keep on accommodating newcomers. Infinite buses, infinite passengers can be accommodated. This is how Cantor explained the future of infinite. So tomorrow we will see next level of infinite.